Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to find out what you should be doing for your first 30 days as a brand new real estate agent, then this video is for you.
This is Let's Talk Real Estate with Tijuana YouTube channel.
This is Tijuana Evans, the realtor you deserve. Before we go any further, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this information with a friend or a family member who is newly licensed or who is studying to become a real estate agent. You are going to hear me mention North Carolina a lot because this is my service area, but this information is actually helpful no matter which state you're practicing in. Well, let's jump right in. North Carolina's real estate market is a vibrant landscape filled with opportunities for both new and seasoned realtors. The state's diverse communities, booming cities, and rural areas offer a unique mix of properties to cater to a wide range of clients. So understanding the market dynamics is crucial for anyone looking to make a mark in this sector as a real estate professional. I've put together this information as a guide to offer an insightful overview of what the first 30 days of a new realtor in North Carolina or any state might entail. This is designed to help you build a solid foundation for a successful career. So week 1, laying the groundwork. There should be comprehensive training in place wherever you may go. Your journey should begin with an in-depth training program designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary for you to succeed. This week is all about learning the ropes, from understanding the real estate laws to mastering the latest industry technology. Cultivating team relationships and getting to know your colleagues are also key components of your first week. Building strong relationships with your team members is essential. Why? Because these connections will provide you support and guidance through your career. Week 2, diving deep into the market. Grasping local market trends within this week will help you to focus on gaining a thorough understanding of your real estate market. You should explore various neighborhoods, learn about trending property types, and identify what makes each area unique. Sharpening your marketing skills is a vital skill for any realtor. You'll need to develop your marketing strategy. You'll need to learn how to effectively promote properties and attract clients through various channels. Week 3. Week 3 is all about networking and relationship building. Expanding your professional network through networking events, both in person and virtual, are fantastic ways to meet other professionals and potential clients. Engaging in community services and participating in community service projects is not only rewarding, but it's also a great way to connect with the community. It reflects your commitment to giving back, and it helps to build a positive reputation. Week 4. This is kickstarting your real estate career. Marketing strategies is huge. From digital marketing to personal branding are key marketing strategies that you can use to stand out and to attract clients. Securing your first buyer or your listing with the support of your team is a thrilling step that brings you closer to your first sale and establishes your presence in the market. Setting clear and achievable goals is critical. Your mentor or team leader should help you outline your goals and your objectives, ensuring that they are aligned with your career aspirations and your growth plans. The importance of choosing the right firm that offers a supportive environment, opportunities for growth, and a strong community focus is crucial. Why? Glad you asked. Because there are true benefits of joining the right team. This can either impact your business successfully or have a poor influence on your business. Success in real estate requires continuous learning, effective networking, and the support of a great team. Setting realistic goals, celebrating milestones, and adapting to challenges will encourage you to stay motivated, especially as a new agent. It also helps you to stay focused on your objectives. You are invited to explore a lifestyle where we are committed to your success. We are a team of professionals who values support, growth, and community development. We are looking to partner with 17 outstanding real estate agents who are integral and who is committed to making a difference in the lives of others. Discover how by joining the lifestyle team can kickstart a successful real estate career. Exciting opportunities await you. Let's embark on this journey together and transform your passion for real estate into a thriving career. Reach out today to learn more about becoming a part of our extraordinary team. You can reach out to me directly at 704-777-1793, or you can email me at tijuana@prime1lirrealestate.com. Well, until we meet again, please be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share it, and also tune in every single week as I bring forth new and exciting topics.